Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Claude when the app isn't connecting properly. So first, check your internet connection and open another website or app to confirm that your connection is working. And if you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, then try reliable Wi-Fi connection instead. Next, completely close the Claude app and then try opening it again. Now make sure you're using the latest version available through your device's official app store. And if that still doesn't work, you need to try restarting your phone to refresh the network connection. If you're using a VPN, firewall, private DNS or similar network tool, then temporarily check whether the connection works without it. And if Claude still won't connect, then check Anthropic's official service status information to see whether there's an outage. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.